Okay, everybody, we're going to be covering topic 2 reading, which is found on page 59 of your Gateway book, or it is on the copy of the printout that you will see I posted in Google Classroom. If you don't have either of these, just a pen and a piece of paper so you can write down answers is fine. Okay, so the first lesson we will be looking at is we will be looking at the picture at the top of the page, and I would like you to look at the photograph and the title of the text. And I want you to think about what you think the text is going to be about. So you'll see a picture of two people and they seem to be attending to plants on a wall. And the title says, Green School in the City, How One Inspirational Teacher is Changing Lives. So before you read the text, just write down what you think that the text is going to be about. So now I would like you to read the text through. Make sure you read it carefully. If you do need to check any words, do check them and write them down. But when you get to the end of the reading, think about the prediction you wrote in the first slide and see whether the reading is the same as what you predicted. We'll go on to slide 3 now. And slide 3 now is reading comprehension questions. So what I would like you to do for this is read the 7 questions, then read the text again and look for the answers to those questions. Then come back to the questions, read them again and try and answer them. Now I'd like you to write down your answers on the page. So I would like you to do them in nice, neat handwriting because I will be asking you to upload your page into Google Classroom. Okay, so pause the tape now and do that exercise. Now, exercise 5, we're just moving on to exercise 5, and we're looking for the underlined words in the text. So what I've done is I've put a wee bit of text on the slide for you, and I have a red arrow pointing to the first word, bulbs. You'll see that I have the 5 words that are underlined in the text on the page here. So we have bulbs, neighbourhood, spots, edible, and pick up. Now, what you're needing to do is find out the meaning of the words in context to the text. And so to do that, you need to look at the sentences either side of that word. Because if you look in a dictionary, you will find quite often there is more than one definition for each word. So you need to decide which definition fits the word within the context of the text. You'll notice that I posted a quizzes which has all of these 5 words and 4 definitions for each of them. And for the first one, bulbs, all of the definitions are definitions for bulbs, but only one of them is the correct answer for in context to this reading. So you have to try and make sure and work out which one would be the correct one. Okay, thank you for listening and good luck with your assignments.